The debate between Android and iPhone users has raged on for years, fueling passionate discussions among tech enthusiasts, casual smartphone users, and everyone in between. Both platforms have fervent fan bases, each touting the superiority of their chosen operating system. Let's dive into the key areas where Android and iPhone differ, highlighting the strengths and weaknesses of each. Customization versus simplicity. Android is known for its open-source nature, allowing manufacturers to create a wide range of devices with varying features and designs. This leads to a plethora of customization options for users, from home screen layouts to default apps. On the other hand, iPhones are praised for their simplicity and uniform design. Apple's strict control over hardware and software leads to a consistent user experience, making it easy for those who prefer a straightforward interface. App ecosystem. Both platforms offer extensive app stores, but there are differences in their approaches. Apple's App Store is renowned for its stringent review process, which results in a curated selection of high-quality apps. This ensures a level of security but can sometimes lead to delays in app availability. Android's Google Play Store is more lenient, allowing a broader range of apps to be published quickly. This flexibility, however, can expose users to potential security risks. Hardware diversity versus optimization. Android devices come in various shapes, sizes, and specifications due to the multitude of manufacturers. This provides consumers with options that fit their budget and preferences, but can also lead to fragmentation issues, where some devices may not receive timely software updates. iPhones, on the other hand, are developed by Apple itself, resulting in tight hardware-software integration. This allows Apple to optimize performance and deliver consistent updates to all its devices. Privacy and security. Apple places a strong emphasis on user privacy and security, often highlighting features like end-to-end encryption and app permission controls. The company's stance on data collection and its recent push for app tracking transparency have earned it points among privacy-conscious users. Android has made improvements in this area too, with features like permission controls and biometric security, but its open ecosystem can make it slightly more susceptible to malware. Ecosystem lock-in versus interconnectivity. iPhone users often benefit from Apple's ecosystem, which includes seamless integration with other Apple devices like Macs, iPads, and Apple Watch. This can lead to a more cohesive user experience if you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem. On the other hand, Android's open nature allows for greater interconnectivity with various devices and services, even beyond those offered by Google. Price range. Android devices are available in a wide range of price points, making them accessible to users with different budgets. From budget-friendly options to premium flagship models, Android provides options for everyone. iPhones, while known for their premium pricing, have introduced more affordable models in recent years to cater to a broader audience. In the end, the choice between Android and iPhone boils down to personal preferences and priorities. Android offers diversity, customization, and a wide range of options, while iPhones provide a seamless, secure ecosystem and a more controlled user experience. Whichever you choose, both platforms continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what smartphones can achieve, enriching our digital lives in unique ways. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.